Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go game on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you have logged into your account using your social accounts or through your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can browse through various different games. Now, if you wish to change your in-game username, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will now be taken into your profile page. Just tap on the edit button at the top right and now you can tap on the nickname option, which will allow you to change your nickname. Go ahead and type in your preferred nickname and you may also choose your style. After entering your nickname and choosing your style, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and now your nickname or your username has been changed within your game right away. And you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change this. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game username within the Blockman Go game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.